Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this tutorial, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to accept friend requests in Township. First of all, open up the Township game on your mobile device and log in. After you're inside the home page of your game, go ahead and tap on the friends icon, which is indicated by two humans at the bottom left, and then click on the envelope icon on the top. Inside the envelope icon, if someone has sent you friend request, you will be able to see them on this list. To accept the friend request, simply tap on accept in green and the player will be added on your friend list. So that is how you easily accept friend request in Township. Keep in mind that you can only have up to 10 pending requests at a time. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.